880 locker room aren't so trustable of one GME. I don't know that they should be.
As I cross my arms in question, Gianni, Michael, Emricko, I don't trust him as far as I can throw him. And that man is how many pounds?
A lot.
A lot.
Muscle stuff, too.
Definitely muscle.
Yeah.
But these are unprecedented times, so the unprecedented GME squaring off against Big Jim Fridge.
Really good signs by Tupac family tonight. Mini fridge. Mini fridge. They got a mini fridge sign. Now, Gianni, Michael, Emricko, as we mentioned before, he is one of the individuals in Enjoy Wrestling's Very Evil in that ladder match this weekend. And above that ladder is going to be a contract against any superstar they want to fight. They got to pull that contract down, and they could have anybody in the ring. Could Gianni be a holder of an Enjoy contract?
It could be.
Right now, he's not a holder of BGF because he just planted him down in the middle of the ring. Big hip toss. But some of our audience here have taken a liking to GME. Some of our audience are starting to trust GME. A year ago at this time, Dangerous Knights Crew and 880 Wrestling were at each other's throats at the World Series. And Gianni was on the Dangerous Knights side.
That's right. He was out there doing the most, like they always do.
So at the 880 World Series, Gianni's going to have to prove a point to all of us that he wants to save us from this Black Hand Society. But right now, he can't save himself from Big Jim Fridge.
Big Jim Fridge, notorious for wearing the number 69 jersey.
The adult-themed jersey.
The adult-themed jersey.
Want to say hi to everybody in the chat rats there. Embly, Dakota, I see all those roaches. Keep banging them out. Peyton Graham Cracker, not you. And everybody on TikTok, hello. Oh, suplex. Now, from what I understand, talking about the World Series, the Department of Jocks might have a date with a couple of All-Stars in a Supersonic Blur.
Oh, yeah.
You don't often see Gianni being put in a sleeper. He's the innovator, of course, of a sleeper hold of his own. Oh, bounce against those ropes. Oh, big Kawatopi clothesline. Oh, big back elbow.
You can feel the ripples of contact all the way up here, Toddy.
Oh, catches him up. Oh, power of GME.
Up and down. Up and down.
Wow, he planted his feet and our whole camera's rumbled.
I felt that in my thighs, Toddy.
Oh! Oh, big spear!
Big spear.
2 and 3. Ring it up for GME.
Here's your winner, Gianni, Michael Emricko.
Gianni, Michael, Emricko, a singles victory. And as we mentioned it before, right now, he's doing it himself. No Dangerous Knights Crew. Gianni right now is a lone wolf in our locker room, and sometimes the most dangerous of wolves are the lone.
I'm Eamon.
I'm Merlin.
And we're a gay.
And his NB.
Are you a reality television connoisseur?
Do you like it discussed from an LGBTQ lens?
If so, A Gay and His NB is the podcast for you.
Hear us break down all your favorite guilty pleasure reality shows from Bravo, Drag Race, and just about everything in between.
Listen to A Gay and His NB on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen to podcasts.